It's happening. Nigeria and lawlessness. No one obeys the courts. No one listens to the courts. Remember, former president of America, Donald Trump, was one of the persons who said, "Is there no rule of law in Nigeria?" And he said this because Omoyele Sowore at that time has already been granted opportunity to leave the security agencies. I'm talking about DSS or police, but however, for months he was still there, and the US had to intervene before he was released. We also told you that Mary Odili, the woman to become the most senior advocate of Nigeria by May 12th this year, by the time the person currently there retires, her home was invaded. Her husband has since had issues with Nigeria, security agencies. And so they've had this case with her husband being the former governor of Rivers State, and his international passport has been seized since then. Court cases have come and gone, and they've asked that the passport be released. However, Nigeria, as it were, there is no records to obeying of court order, and the so-called passport has still been with immigration. So this is what is going on. Let's get all the details. Court issues immigration last opportunity to explain refusal to release Odili's passports. A federal high court in Abuja has given the Nigerian Immigration Service NIS and its lawyer up to February the 7th to show cause why disciplinary action should not be taken against them for failing to obey directives and release of an international passport belonging to ex Rivers State Governor Peter Odili. Justice Ekewu, in a ruling on Friday, said he would allow NIS lawyer Adamu the last opportunity to attend court and explain why the court's order the court order that Odili's international passport be released was not complied with, and why he should not be penalized for that. On the last adjourned date, the court has made an order that the counsel for respondent Mr. J.A. Adamu should show causes today. Earlier, the matter was called and Mr. Adamu is not in court and no reason was given for his absence. I made an order adjourning the case till 7th of February 2022 for Mr. Adamu to show cause. This adjournment is at the instance of the respondent, the judge has said. The ruling was on the applicant by Odili's lawyer Ife Adeayo, who complained that despite the court order on December the 21st directing Adamu to show cause why he should not be penalized for flaunting the court order, Mr. Adamu was not in court and he was not represented. Just why Adebimpe was concluding his submission, a lawyer, Birchie, announced appearance for the NIS and said Adamu was on his way. So this is what is happening now. Okay, said Adamu was on his way, and Adamu is making effort to attend court on Friday. He was unable and is just trying to make it to court. The NIS lawyer added that he would have prayed the court for a stand down to enable Adamu arrive, but was not sure if the court has the luxury of time to accommodate his request. In response to his submission, Justice Eko said he would rather afford Adamu the last chance to decide on whether he will comply with court order to come in and exercise his authority, and he adjourned the case to February the 7th. So this is what is happening. Welcome to Nigeria, okay? People take laws into their hands. It's normal, okay? Where you see those who are lords and gods by themselves, they decide what happened. And when you speak, they tell you you have no right. I repeat, no right to speak. So this is what goes on. This is what happens in Nigeria. Okay, so a court order has been given, release this man's document. There is no need, having considered all evidences before us, why you should still have or hold on to this court or this document. However, nobody would listen. Nobody will listen. It's what they do in Nigeria. In case you're not aware, you're confused, Abby. It's what they do. Mm. In some African countries, there is so much lawlessness. But a generation is coming that will ensure that this lawlessness become a thing of the past. Okay, that's how they went to his wife's residence in Abuja, and they tried to do and undo and cause all kinds of, untold, distractions. Okay, major distractions for their own personal gain. You think the security agencies are honest, intentional, and want to change things, but you'll be surprised, at the way they go about things, and you'll be wondering what kind of people are these. Is there no law and order? Why is there no decorum? Why are they, just doing things haphazardly or anyhow? Excuse me, that's how they rule. But a generation is coming that will turn things around and Nigeria will become better. Because if you're not in their camp, then they go against you, then they do everything humanly speaking possible to ensure that they frustrate you. Some persons just went to the wife's home to say they were trying to get whatever. And the Attorney General of the Federation was implicated in that issue. But do you know that, like a slicky, whatever, he has meandered himself out of it, and nobody's speaking about it anymore. But if it's somebody else, it would have been a big matter. So because some persons are particularly interested in some cases, they will allow the case, to thrive and to become a big thing where they should have spoken, they won't. Where they should have done the right thing, they won't. So these are some of the things that go on in Nigeria. Remember the wife? Yes, that's the husband. His international passport has been seized. They are saying you go nowhere. And even when court's judgment have shown that there is no need for them to hold on to it, they will not listen. Is what they do. You see, that's Nigeria for you. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.